Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter 2 using the control panel. Students, in this chapter we will learn working with control panel, how to operate the control panel and how to add or remove programs. So let's see students, working with control panel. Control panel. What is control panel? The control panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system settings. It consists of a set of applets that include adding or removing hardware and software, controlling user accounts, changing accessibility options, and accessing networking settings. Students, there are two pictures. As we see in our home, in a room we have a switchboard from where all lights, fans, TV, cooler, etc. are switched on and switched off. This is the electrical control center of the room from where we can control the electrical setting of our room. But in second picture students, in the same way we have a control panel in the Windows operating system of our computer from where we can change the hardware and software settings of our computer. Clear students? So let's see, I am going to discuss about different option of control panel. Students, to work with the control panel, we need to open the control panel window. The various options are present there in the form of icons. As you can see students, like system and security option, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts and family safety, appearance and personalization option, clock, language and region, and ease to access. Now students, I am going to tell you how to change the background setting of the desktop. So first of all, click on personalize option. Now select the desktop background option. From the picture, select any of the picture. As I am selecting one of the pictures. Now click on save changes. Students, as you can see, the desktop background has changed. Now again I am going to tell you how to change the screensaver or set the screensaver. Again click on personalization option. Now click on screensaver option. From the screensaver dialog box, select the bubbles or any of the option. As you can see students, now I am going to show you the preview of this screensaver. As you can see students on the screen, when you will click or touch any button of the keyboard, then screensaver will be stop. Now students, I am going to select another screensaver option. See students, ribbons I have selected in this time. I think it is visible properly. Click on apply button. Now students, I am going to tell you how to change the date and time settings. Again click on control panel. In this time you have to select date and time option from the control panel. Students, as you can see, click on change date and time button or option. Select the date and time and click on OK and apply button. Students, as you can see, the date and time has changed. Now I am going to tell you how to change the mouse setting like pointer. So let's see students, click on mouse option. Now pointer tab, select any of the option from the scheme. As I have selected the black in color. Now students, you can see the mouse pointer has changed. Clear students? Thank you students. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates.